In the rainforests of Irian Jaya, male Vogelkop bowerbirds have been encouraged to create colourful gardens. Generations of hens have become connoisseurs of art, bestowing their sexual favours only on the owners of the most lavishly decorated courts. Every season, males construct elaborate bowers. These are highly decorated with all manner of natural treasures, which are displayed in the hope of gaining the approval of a passing hen. Some efforts are better than others. For such dull males, this kind of sexual advertising is better than using colourful feathers. Female taste can be instantly catered for by selecting ever more attractive objects. Unlike feathers, these treasures can be rearranged. Centre stage, the mossy pillar is surrounded by a constantly evolving design. By continually tinkering with his treasures, the male hopes to find a winning layout. Even beetle wing cases are turned over to reflect light and catch the female's eye. Eventually, the critical hens fall for the most creative male and his dazzling work of art. But among birds, there are even choosier females. In Costa Rica lives the most discerning of all. Every female long-tailed mannequin may select from among 80 males, and in the process drive them to exhaustion. Males form dancing partnerships. This young green-backed male has teamed up with a more mature one to learn the routine. It takes years of practice before the shows merit even a passing glance.